choosing, Miss Zircons. Nice mod, huh? Upgrades ready. Are you? Level this bad gal up for access to more upgrades. Glad to be of service. You know it is quality when you buy from Miss Zircon.
There! That's the warden's office! Just have to use these platforms to get closer and go from there.
Be careful. That is a long way down. I should have realized how impacted you were by what happened with Kit. Do you think you could ever forgive her? Perhaps you should.
I don't know. But that won't stop me from saving her.
Please do not hurt me. I am only following the...
Just stay out of my way!
Emergency shutdown initiated. Rerouting power to the VIP section.
Ratchet's in a VIP cell, isn't he?
Yes.
You are a fool! For underestimating me. Witness my power. No matter. I have an endless supply of secrets waiting to do my bidding.
Attention! Ryan. In progress. Reinforcement capacity at
56% and dwindling. What? You have not even begun to witness the vast and unforgiving strength of my leadership!
We have seen enough.
So I... say so.
Reinforcement capacity at 42%. The wing has fallen into prisoner control.
Not the VIP section!
Local range. Unavailable. Emergency warp protocol.
Can't say I enjoyed that.
You need to return to Ratchet and Kit before it is too late.
Yeah, just have to get out of here first.
The office is sealed. How do we get out?
Maybe that window leads somewhere.
It would appear we have new allies.
They're moving his cell again? Into maximum security.
I will start developing a plan B.
Catch up to their cell faster before they're locked away in the depths of prison indefinitely?
Or a plan C, perhaps.
It's time to dance!
Keep that cell in sight.
We'll need to find a way back up. We'll need to find a way back up.
Perhaps we can use that rift tether to get us up to that platform. Quickly, we must get across to the maximum security platform.
That console. If we override it, maybe we can slow them down.
Return to your cell, or you will be banned from weight room access for 10 cycles.
Finally! We're gonna get you out of here. There has to be a way to stop your cell or...
Allow you to escape the Emperor's glorious punishment. My glorious punishment.
All right, how are we gonna escape? Kit, any ideas?
Come on, kid, say something!
I have no ideas.
Really? Because you...
Rivet.
Warning, Riot in progress. Single gas protocol activated.
Oh no! The room is filling with gas!
Hold your breath!
Ratchet, quickly, get us out of here. Hit those buttons to open the door.
Hey! It's all falling apart! Just like the dimensions! I thought Kit was my friend, but she's a liar, liar, pants on fire!
She seems to deeply regret it. Now keep moving.
Maybe! We're not gonna make
Tether
it.
onto that rib. Their cell. It went outside. There, quickly. We must slingshot onto that evacuation platform. Ratchet and Kit must be quite valuable.
Gotta hurry before their backup arrives!
Too many.
Think that was all of them.
Not quite. Quickly, use that crank to pull the cell back toward us.
Someone call for backup?
Thanks for the save. Kit, are you...
Give us a minute.
We'll meet you at the ship.
Clank told me I should try to forgive you. I
am going back to Zavali. I never should have.
Wait! You're just gonna hide again? Now?
I am very... Truly, I am sorry, Rivet. For everything. I am not a good partner.
Well, maybe you could be. If you'd stopped to help me that night instead of running away, things could have been different. Or if you just told the truth, maybe...
Why do none of you understand? I am broken. I will always be broken.
Fine. Go hide. We have a universe to save. Universes, whatever. I don't need a partner anyway.
Wait, where's Kit?
She's not coming.
But...